Come on. Yes, so now she has turned into a curly hair. She's no longer straight hair. Yes, and she's
Back body go funny go, yeah. Grab a cup if you're not saucy. Acting shy, baby, don't bore me. Switch your vibe if you're not naughty. Bring your friend, that's enough for me. Go down, go down, go down, down, go down.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another tutorial. As you can see by the title below, I'm rocking this Unice 150 density in a straight wig, but I actually curled this head using the one curl iron, and I got this flawless curly hair. Yes, so if you are looking into how to install the glueless frontal and also this beautiful and wonderful side part and this flawless curly wig, then you have to stay tuned and let us achieve this wonderful look together. So stay tuned, guys. I have this beautiful red box in my hand and I'm about to open it to see what came in it. So firstly, I open it and I see a bag with the hair in it. Yes, I received this package a few days ago, but I actually went ahead to bleach the knots because I wasn't ready to do the video. And it also came with a bug cap and a goodie bag. So I'm going to open the goodie bag for you to show you what came in it. It came with a pair of lashes. Yes, I love their lashes, yo. I love Unice lashes. It came with a clip and also a scarf. Yes, and then there's the wig. Like I said, I have already bleached the knots, so you see it look like a body wave, but it is a straight wig. Like when you wash it, it look a little bit like a body wave, but it is a straight wig. Yes, and this is the wig. I'm just going about to place it on my head and get it ready for plucking because this need a deep plucking. Yes, I don't want the hairline to look this thick, so I need to pluck it more and more to give it the way I want it. So I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of talking in this video because most of these things that I'm doing or I'm using, I've already mentioned it in most of my videos, in my previous videos, so you guys already know what I'm doing. I will just scratch out some point, but yeah, most of these things are things that you guys already know about. Like if you are new to my channel, then you have to go and watch some of the videos to know what I'm talking about. So I'm not feeling all right. That's my first time this way, but yes, I'm okay. I'm here for you guys. guys, this is the finished look of the hair, and I was actually expecting it to come out this way because I was a little nervous on which style to rock with this wig, but then I went for the soft part and the wonker, and it came out so super amazing. I love it. You guys saw this from the beginning. It was a straight hair, and then I styled myself. It turned out this way. Like, it looked like a curly hair, but it's not actually a curly hair. And the color is giving everything that I need. Like, yes, it gives me a rich hair look. Yes, and the baby hair just silk it down. And yes, I love it so much. I'm gonna be leaving all of the information down in the description box below so you guys can check out this baby. Yes, and also if you guys would love to see how I achieve this wonker, you can let me know in the comment section below. Also, probably I was a little faster and you guys didn't see how I actually curl the hair around the iron. So if you would like an extra tutorial on that, let me know in the comment section below and I will also walk you through that. Yes, so this is actually beautiful, and thanks to Unice here for sponsoring this video. I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye.
Back body, yeah. Grab a cup if you're not saucy. Acting shy, baby, don't bore me. Switch your vibe if you're not naughty. Bring your friend, that's enough for me. Go down.